Welcome back, everyone. This video will discuss today's entrance ticket questions and answers, so please pay close attention so you know how to complete today's assignment, and also feel free to pause or rewind this video as needed. So a shape is just a flat enclosed area. It's a nice, short, easy definition. Shape just refers to basically the outlines, the outline enclosed area of something. That would be the shape. So if you ever did a project we laid down on a piece of paper and you had someone else trace your silhouette, the outline of yourself, that is essentially a shape. You trace the shape of yourself. And shape is a very common element in art that's used to figure out proportions and the spacing of objects, but can even be used as the main subject, as seen down here, where the different shapes are repeated over and over to create the design. And then you have the word unity. So unity is the second question in today's entrance ticket. Unity is the elements of art working together. So when the seven elements of art work together and things are repeated over again, it creates a cohesive artwork that has the same theme. Everything is used to support one another and create that theme in the artwork. So those are the definitions for shape and unity. Please make sure you complete today's entrance ticket with these definitions. Once you are done, just continue building upon your art activism project and just keep making sure that you are representing your social issue in a clear way that the viewer can easily understand what your message is. And be thinking about how you can use unity and how you can use shapes in your artwork if needed. You don't necessarily need to use shapes, but your artwork should definitely represent some kind of unity where everything works together to basically tell or convey that same message or meaning. All right, I look forward to seeing how your projects are coming along. Please message me if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will talk to you guys soon. All right, bye everyone.